I have one of the most interesting topic ya leo. Every person, especially men, wenye wanapigwangwa na dry spell ama wanaringiwa na either msichana mali safi ama mwenye anaweza. Would you believe that there is somewhere in this world penye kuna kitu inaitwa sex tourism? As in an entire country imeamua what tourists are bringing us is because we have the biggest number of commercial sex workers and they offer almost, if not everything and every fantasy that there is in the sex game. Be it ikwe 3 ikwe 4 5 from 5 hizo ni orgies, ikwe vaginal massages. Unajua vaginal massages, a massage room yenye unamulika hapo, unalalishwa hivi kitanda and only wet vaginas massage you. Wanawake almost 5 or 6, they use their warm moist vaginas to massage your entire body. Everything that there is there to offer: lesbian sex, every kind of gay sex. I don't know if they have bestiality. Unajua bestiality is inaitwaje? Sex with animals. That's just sick. But to engage you a special country called Thailand.
In Thailand, we don't say. We say.
What is it with Thailand? Why do men, especially, like going to Thailand? Thailand, apart from the sex tourism that brings people there, yenye wasichana wamesimamishwa nje kama mnaona kwa bucha venye wamehangingi tai ya ng'ombe. That is, it is sickening to say, mtasema ati oh, I'm talking in a demeaning way. It is happening there. Wasichana wamesimamishwa through a clear glass like dolls, wamesimama hivi, you pick your pick. Alafu the rampancy of the activities inafanyika hapo mpaka kuna wengine hawezi simama kwa hiyo glass, hiyo display glass. They're out on the street 24 hours of the day. Yani competition iko stiff to a point, even children. Now this is the problem. The biggest problem the government is facing is not the prostitution. It is the child prostitution.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
It's profitable somehow. Baka hata watoto wadogo wanga kuacha shule waingilie because of you tourists visiting there.
Oh, so that's why my boy went to Thailand. Okay.
Yani utaki uonga tu kupita uende tu zako, wameanza kuvurutwa mkono. Tuseme tu sasa leo umemaliza, umetoka kwa hoteli, unafunga tu zip hivi, mwingine asha kushika mkono. Ni ya leo. Now the problem with this, one other odd thing in this country, ni watu wenye wako huko lazima uweze kuuliza, are you lady or lady boy? Kwa sababu most have more than one sexual organ. Wanaitwanga aje? Hermaphrodite.
Are you lady or lady boy?
Lady boy.
So you have to be specific.
Are you really a lady boy?
I'm lady boy.
You look like a lady.
When you are very straight, unauliza msichana, you are lady or lady boy? Because half of them have penises. Alafu other tourists hawataki jokes because kuna wenye wanataka hiyo fantasy of a girl with a penis.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Cute.
But I'm
Everyone.
not lady.
You're not a lady?
Yes,
What are you?
I'm lady boy.
To prove that wako na the opposite sexual organ, they have naked photos of their phone where when a tourist says, you're lady or lady boy? If I say, no, me lady, unatoa simu, unamuonyesha you naked jumba kachini.
Lady boy.
I'm lady, not lady boy.
Show photo.
Huh?
Photo show. You lady.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Aweze kuona, oh, una dick. Ladies and gentlemen, sex trade in this world. Ask your travel agent, how much to Bangkok, Thailand? Mnasikiaga tu Thailand.
Lady boy is the outside you look like lady, but if you still have dick, it mean boy. I don't mean like you are boy, but this word can use like lady boy, something like that. I'm lady boy, so most people will call me like transgender or like she male.